Are you looking for the best brad nailers in your budget? Well, in today's video we break down the top 5 best brad nailers that are available on the market. I made this list based on their price, quality, durability, and more. To find out more information about this product, you can check out the description below, and also make sure you subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. The 5th product on our list is the Hitachi NT50A2. It's easily able to switch between firing modes as well, allowing for bump fire or contact firing modes with the flip of a single switch. Add in the fact that it has a tool-less unjamming method, and you've got a clear winner when it comes to convenience. It also has depth adjustment, and it seems to drive the brads true to depth in just about any material that we tested it out on. The magazine is extremely large, and the bottom feeding mechanism allows you to quickly reload when you're out. All of this together adds up to a powerful little nailer with a ton of potential if you're willing to invest in a compressor as well. It's still not perfect, of course. It tends to leave oblong holes if not fired at a consistent angle, and we found it to be quite hard to shoot at any angle other than dead on. Up next in the 4th place is the PorterCable PCC790LA20 VMAX. While pneumatics and plug-in models tend to be quite a bit more powerful, there's something to be said for the ease of use that comes with a battery-powered nailer. PorterCable's PCC790LA is undoubtedly the best of the lot. While it's not going to compete with our favorite pneumatic model when it comes to sheer power, we ran into virtually no issues with it. It's able to fire around 1,300 brads per fully charged battery, and it holds 100 brads per load in the front feeding magazine. The quality of life features shouldn't be discounted either. There's an LED light on the front. It comes with depth adjustment, and it's extremely light for a battery-powered model, coming in at just under 6 pounds. There are a couple of issues we noticed. The biggest one is that it will take most people a bit of time to get used to the lag between pulling the trigger and the brad firing. The weight is also a bit high if you're used to air-driven options. The 3rd product on our list is the WIN 61723/4 inch to 2-inch 18-gauge brad nailer. While we really love the Hitachi model we reviewed above, it's also a little bit on the expensive side. If you're just doing a small project around the house and don't quite want to make the investment, then WIN 61720 might be just what you've been looking for. This model provides quite a bit of power, like most pneumatics, at the expense of some quality of life features that we expect in more expensive models, like most of WIN's tools. There are a few basic upgrades which can be implemented, including a 2-in-1 model available for a few dollars more. It holds 100 brads at a time and has a quick release lever to allow you to clear jams relatively easily. It also has an adjustable exhaust port, so you're not constantly getting the wind blown into your face while you're using it. On the other hand, it's not quite as durable as the bigger names in the industry, and it has a tendency to not feed as well as we'd like. Still, for the hobbyist, the price point makes it an attractive purchase. Second on our list is the Hitachi KNT50AB brad nailer and compressor combo kit. If you don't have an air compressor, it can often be a daunting choice to find the right one to go with your brad nailer. Thankfully, Hitachi produces this excellent combination kit which will allow you to get both in the same place with a big brand behind it. This kit includes our favorite of the pneumatic brad nailers which we fire, as well as an excellent 6-gallon pancake compressor. The compressor is the main draw for most of us, since it really can be hard to figure out which is the best suited for your home. The compressor itself is rugged and reliable. Since pneumatic nailers use very little air per release, the capacity is just about perfect, and it all adds up to a match made in heaven. Finally, the top product on our list is the DeWalt DCN680B20 VMAX XR. If you don't think the PorterCable model that was our favorite is going to cut it, but you're not ready to switch things up to a pneumatic just yet, then we think you should take a good look at this excellent model from DeWalt. The biggest problem which most people will have with it is the cost. Other than that, you'll find that it beats out just about every other battery-operated model around when it comes down to it. It's an excellent way to get ahead, especially for professionals. The battery is also compatible with DeWalt's entire impressive line of 20V tools. If you've already got any of them around, then you can even just go with the bare tool option, which will allow you to save some serious money. We really couldn't find any flaws with this one other than the extremely high price in comparison to most of those that we picked for this roundup. Thanks for watching, and that's all for now, I hope to see you guys in the next video. Till next time.